Place your foot in a natural, comfortable position. Cross your hands in front of your chest. Circle your hands upward, reaching for the sky. Inhale in this move. As you lower your hands down, exhale, bend at your waist, both hands lower and touch the floor if you can. Bend your knee, cross your hand in front of your chest. Then stand up, reach your hands up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, lower the hands, bend at the waist, touch the floor. Bend your knee, cross your hands in front of your chest. Stand up, raise the hands up. Inhale, reaching for the sky. Exhale, bend at the waist, touching the floor. Bend your knee, cross your hands in front of your chest. Stand up, raise the hands up. Inhale, reaching for the sky. Exhale, bend at the waist, touching the floor. Bend your knee, cross your hand. Stand up, reaching for sky. Inhale. Exhale, bend at waist, hand touch floor. Bend knee, cross hand. To finish, stand up and drops the hands down gently in front of your body.